Being too good can be a pilot's downfall. This top student was intentionally failed. She hated that. At Air Force Flight School, there was a student pilot who was too damn good. They called her Ace, or Aft Cavity Explorer, a story for a different time. Ace was a natural in the cockpit, acing every test in flight like she was born with wings. After Ace's latest perfect flight, the head instructor pulled her flight instructor aside and said, "Fail her. Failing a flight once is bad. It hits you hard no matter how well you've been doing. You are then one failure away from dropping out of fighter jet training. Other students distance themselves from you as not to catch the fail. If you're lucky, you might be offered helicopter training, but for most, failing twice is career-ending. Why would they do this to a perfect student? There is no better teacher than failure. They're not just teaching these kids to fly. They're teaching them to fail, get back up, and fly even better." The head instructor explained, "Fail her trip because, in all of her flying training, she's never failed one. If she fails over Syria, she may not recover. If we fail her in controlled conditions, we can help her to return from it too." Ace didn't know it yet, but that failed flight was about to make her a better pilot than any of her perfect scores ever could.